Hello everyone and welcome. Sometimes you do change your windows into dark mode and still your browser still does not change to the dark mode, just as I have done. So if I open this PC, you can see that my windows is on dark mode, but my browser, it does not take effect on my browser. In this video, I will show you how to change your Google Chrome browser into dark mode. Even if you change your windows to dark mode and the dark mode does not take effect on your Google Chrome browser. As we have opened our Google Chrome, you can see that it is not in dark mode, it's still in light mode. To change it to the dark mode, what you just need to do is that at the top here, click on your search button and search www.google.com. So we have google.com. Once you search google.com, you can see that the interface has changed. We have new navigations here, and as you can see, we have privacy, terms and settings. What you just have to do is that click on the settings, and we can see we have set settings here. And now on your left side here, we have other settings. Click on the other settings. Right here we have these other options which we can change the language. Then here, this is what we are going to change. We have here dark theme. So it's on default. Click on it. And then we have here dark themes and it's on device default. The device default is in such a way that whilst we change the device to dark mode, definitely it should have taken effect on the Google Chrome browser, but it didn't take effect. So what we just need to do is that just click on on, and then click on confirm. Right, so you can see our dark mode has taken effect on our browser. Now once we change the dark mode, you can see that the dark mode has taken effect on our Google Chrome browser. So if I close this and opens it again, you can see that it's still on dark mode. So that is just how easy and simple it is to change your Google Chrome browser into dark mode. If you change your Windows into dark mode and the dark mode does not take effect on your Google Chrome browser. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.